how to buy Shroomy token. Now, before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money, rewards, and crypto with the best referral code. Simply as goes below. Find your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now, before going on by this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token now it's available on MEXC. So if you don't have an account on MEXC, go down in description and you will be able to find the referral link. Go and create an account on MEXC and fund it with some USDT. So after that, what you need to do, go and log into your account on MEXC and now paste the token sample. You will be able to see this pair. Now click on it. Now wait a few seconds to load this page as you can see. So click on buy and click on limits. Now here type how much you want to buy of that token. So here you will be able to see how much you will be able to pay of that USDT on your account and click on buy Shroomy. Now if you select the market, you can drag this to set how much percentage that you want to use of that USDT on your account to be able to use it to buy this token. So this is how to buy Shroomy token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.